Alright y'all, welcome back. This is Rose with another cup and another drop. And today I'm coming back to you to show not only her bottle, but I failed to discuss the contents of the package, and then I want to just provide an update on the battery life. So let's get right into it. The actual packaging. When I first received this and did the video, I failed to actually mention the contents of the bottle. So the only reason why I'm showing it today is because I do have to recharge her, so I had to come back and grab her box. So, and when you get into the package, you have your usual books and your safety manual, and then you have your USB charging cable. So that's all that's in the contents of the package, but it is real nice presentation. It does come with a sleeve on the outside. And then I know I mentioned the colors that we both have. We have blue and pink, but the actual names when you do order it is called Himalayan Pink. You'll see that there. And then on this one, it's called Monaco Blue. The Larq Bottle Monaco Blue. Designed in California, made in China. So anyway, you've seen the blue already. And here's the pink. The Himalayan Pink. When this came, I actually tried to take this from her. I've actually tried to take it several times from her, because I realized that the reason why I got this one is for staining and this, that, or the other. This one is not going to stain because of the way it's made and the actual material on the outside of it. So, this one, we're going to talk about. I'm making this video real short because I really wanted to talk about the battery life. On the packaging and on all the videos that they show, it says that the battery will last 1 to 2 months. Well, we've come to the conclusion that it may last 1 to 2 months only if you don't press this each time you fill it. So every time we fill our water bottle, we actually press this, the top of the lid here. So I'm thinking, and she's thinking as well, that it doesn't last quite as long because we press that button there, and maybe they've determined that it lasts that long if you don't, because of the self-cleaning option. But each time I fill it, I just feel the need to press it. So, and so does she. And maybe we don't have to, but it doesn't last. I feel like it lasts about 2.5 weeks based upon the way we use it and on a full charge. Right now, this one's dead. So after this video, I'm going to charge it, and then I'm going to do another video to give you an update on if it really does last 1 to 2 months without pressing it each time we fill it up. But I really wanted to come to you today and just discuss that. But I'm still happy with this bottle. This bottle is beautiful. And I remember reading in the comments someone saying, well, what's the point of it? I can clean my bottle every day and clean it with soap and water and dry it. Well, but that's the whole point of this bottle. You don't have to do that every day. You don't have to clean this every day. That's the whole point of it. You know, cleaning, self-purification, not only cleaning the water, but cleaning the contents of the water bottle. So thought that was a strange comment from that person, but you know, I don't have to clean it with soap and water and a rag every day, other than, you know, I have cleaned the lip already. So for those who saw the last video and said, probably thought it was gross that I didn't clean the lip, only my lips touched this, so, and only her lips. Well, I'm drinking out of hers because I just love her bottle. So I'm not going to say that only my lips touch it, because every time I see her grab hers, I'm like, I want her bottle really bad. But anyway, so the next video that I will do is going to be testing it without pressing the lid each time we fill it with water. And again, my only gripe with this was that it's small, so I have to refill it often. We drink a lot of water in this household. And another good positive thing about it, though, this size, it fits perfectly in the cup holder in your car. So if they do make it larger, it can't be that much larger, because this fits perfectly. I mean, there's nothing worse than something like this rolling around in your car. So that's another plus, and that's probably why it's designed that way. I mean, it's definitely portable, so, you know, I'm very, very happy with this purchase. I'm Very, very happy. And if they come out with another size, I'll definitely jump on board and grab 2 of those as well, because this is probably the best piece of tech that I've bought in the last year or two. Oh, and another positive about it that they didn't mention in any of their literature, in any of their videos. One thing she and I both noticed, you can put in regular, like, say for example, we just filled the Brita filter and the water's not quite cold. Well, we can still use the water because it still goes through that filtration process. But we've noticed over time, the water gets super cold, because that's just like tap water. It's not quite frozen yet if we just filled the Brita filter. Well, not frozen, I'm sorry. It's not quite cold yet because we just filled the Brita filter and we just went in and grabbed some water. But the water gets actually colder the longer it sits. And they've never said any of that in any of their advertisement for this product. But that's one thing she and I both noticed on our own. It's like, I wake up in the morning and my water is super cold. And I know it says it keeps your cold and keeps your warm. And of course, we don't use anything warm in this. I wouldn't put anything warm in this. But they never said anything about water appears to get colder. Because, any water that comes out of tap water is not that cold. So that's another positive thing about it. Your water gets really cold. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to provide that quick feedback, and follow up with me in like another month and a half or so, and I'll give you an update on whether or not the battery actually lasts the whole month. So until the next cap, until the next drop, peace, y'all.